I don't eat meat. You don't drink milk. We don't sleep. They don't sing. She doesn't eat bread. He doesn't drink milk. Mika doesn't sleep. Pippi doesn't read. She eats bread. She doesn't eat bread. Pippi sings. Pippi doesn't sing. Do you like apples? Do they sing? Does she eat bread? Does Pippi sleep? Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you eat meat? No, I don't. Does Mika sing? Yes, she does. Does Pippi read? No, it doesn't. Is she happy? Does she eat? Are you a cat? Do you like milk? I don't eat meat. She doesn't drink milk. She doesn't eat bread. Do you like apples? Does Pippi sleep? Is she happy? Does she eat bread? Watashi wa niku wo tabemasen. I don't eat meat. Mika wa nemurimasen. Mika doesn't sleep. Kanajo wa pan o tabemasen. She doesn't eat bread. あなたはリンゴが好き? Do you like apples? ピッピは読みますか? Does Pippi read? ミカは歌いますか? Does Mika sing?